Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you a brief overview of the nice mob variance data pack and how to download and install it on your server. This data pack aims to bring more variety to hostile mobs. Hostile mobs which have visible armor are equipped with a random selection of trimmed armor pieces and/or items such as a custom head. However, not all mobs will always have full armor. Also, some mobs have randomized weapons or some other items. For example, you may encounter naturally spawned skeletons with a sword instead of a bow. This data pack includes many fun features such as villagers having a chance to turn into an illusioner when hit, rabbits having a chance to turn into killer bunnies when hit, zombies having a chance to spawn as zombie horse riders when it's raining, and much more. First, you're going to need to go to the Datapack's website. You can find the link in the description below. Go to the versions section from the menu at the top. Make sure the Datapack is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the Datapack version you want, then click the green download button to the left. This will instantly download the Datapack. We recommend dragging the file to your desktop so it's easier to find. Head on over to the control panel of your VPS server, then go to Create Service. Make sure the service selected is Minecraft Java Edition, and make sure the Minecraft version is compatible with the Datapack. Then click Install on the bottom to create your server. Next, head over to your Files section and open the Datapack's folder within your world file. Now you want to drag and drop the Datapack file into this folder. Then you can restart your server and wait till it's online to see if the Datapack has installed correctly. After doing so, head over to the console tab to make sure your Datapack is installed. You can see it's installed when it says done near the bottom. Make sure there aren't any errors relating to the Datapack. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!